Today we will study the concept of a proper fraction. In a proper fraction, the value of the denominator is bigger than the value of the numerator. Let's take a fraction 2 by 5. Now you can see the value in the numerator is 2 and the value in the denominator is 5. The value in the denominator is bigger than the value in the numerator. 5 is bigger than 2. So this fraction 2 by 5 is a proper fraction. The concept of improper fraction. In improper fraction, the value in the numerator is larger than the value in the denominator. Let's take a fraction 7 by 4. Here the value of the numerator is bigger, it is 7, and the value in the denominator is 4, it is smaller. So 7 by 4 is improper fraction. 3 by 2, 9 by 4, 6 by 5 are all improper fractions.